Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and I hope all of you have registered for GATE 2025 and exam date is also released with that is 16th of February afternoon session for life science students. So in this video I'm going to explain the exam pattern and what is the syllabus. So this video is going to be very helpful and very important for all those students who are going to give this exam for the first time. So in this exam, we have mainly three sections. Section 1 is general aptitude and the other one is general chemistry. These two sections, section 1 and 2, both are common for all kind of exams in GATE. For example, for engineering, for other codes, it is common. But the section third one is very important. It is related life sciences subjects and we have 5 categories here which are related to life sciences and their code is from Q to U. So what are those 5 subjects or 5 different subtypes? These are, one is biochemistry, the other one is botany, and the third one is microbiology. Fourth one is zoology and the fifth one is food technology. And you have option here that you can select any two from these 5 subcategories, but only you can select any two. If you want to attempt from the third one, then you can't. So prepare accordingly, whatever is your strongest subject. For example, mine one is microbiology because I have done my masters in microbiology. So I always prefer to do this section, and another one is zoology because there are many subjects which you have done in your graduation or post graduation which comes under zoology. For example, genetic bio, cell bio, mole bio, and you can attempt lot of questions from your. So this is very basic, and if you follow a right strategy, you can easily crack the exam. Before syllabus, I would like to tell you about the exam pattern and the marks. So total you will have time period of 3 hours for this exam. If you follow a very right strategy, then you can easily cover up this exam in a very less than 2 hours, or I can say in 1.5 an hour, because the exam is actually very easy, and if you see the cutoff trend, it is also very low. So you will have complete 3 hours and total questions will be 65. And this exam will be of 100 marks. The section 1 that contains aptitude, general aptitude, you can say the English grammar, reasoning and math. So overall it is of 15 marks only, and I can say this is the very easiest section from where you can get the marks. And the second section, that is general chemistry, it is of 25 marks. And the third section, in which you have to solve 2 subjects, each subtypes or each category, it carries 30 marks. So overall it is of 100 marks exam, and you will be provided 3 hours for this. No sectional timing is there, so you can take time and you can switch the sections anytime. This is an online exam, but you can switch. And if you see the previous year cutoff trend as well, then I can tell you the cutoff is very low, which is achievable. That is, in just the last year, if I talk about, for general category it was 29.3 out of 100, and in 2022 it was 33.9. According to my experience, the highest cutoff which was in 2021, that was 36, and that is also achievable according to me. And if you follow a very right strategy, because there are many questions which do not carry any negative marking as well, so you can attempt those as well. And there are a lot of mismatch question is also there, like organelles, their functions. So the paper is a bit easy as well. Don't think that it's a very tough kind of exam. If you follow the previous year paper, the pattern, you will get what kind of questions are repetitive every year. So I have cleared this exam in my first attempt, and I have cleared this exam twice. If I talk about syllabus in a very brief, then general aptitude, the section 1, which carries only 15 marks, you will have 2 types of question over there. 5 question will be carrying 1 marks each, and 5 question will be carrying 2 marks each. So, and this part includes like the English grammar, sentence correction, sentence completion, a little bit of data interpretation, math, reasoning, but this part is actually very easy. The syllabus is very simple and basic, that is from mainly from plus 1 and plus 2, whatever the medical and non-medical students study from the chemistry. It is very basic, that is S block, P block, D block elements, reaction kinetic, thermodynamic, biomolecule chemistry, reaction molecule, atom structures. And if you think that any question you can attempt, then do attempt. And there are many questions which are one liner or numeric, because they don't have any negative marking for such questions, so must try to attempt that. And after that, your third part is whatever is your specialization, please do that. I'll prefer that also attempt the zoology, because in your plus 1 plus 2 as well as in graduation, no matter whatever is your specialization, you have studied all these things, the basic structure of animals, the basic eukaryotic prokaryotic structures, the organelles, their functions. So these are the very basic question which you can find in this exam. So in next video we will be with the more important topics which I'll cover, which are very important for this exam. And if you want anything else apart from this, you can give your suggestion as well in your comment box. Thank you.